The Foreign Chamber Council of the Philippines sees bright prospects for the country's export sector in the coming year. Here's Ara Perez.
The Foreign Chamber Council of the Philippines is optimistic that the export sector will improve in 2015. This was following the European Union's approval of the Philippines' GSP Plus status for more than 6,200 export products.
Maganda ang magiging export natin dahil katulad ng rubber industry natin. Even yung sugar natin, 10% of our sugar produced here in the Philippines are being exported. So, magiging lalakas ito, especially the European Union, dahil magkakaroon tayo ng zero tax.
Makatuman said the EU upgraded status is proof of the international community's confidence to the Aquino administration's efforts to curb corruption.
Itong 2014, maraming maraming nakulong. At sa tingin ko, marami pang makukulong, nakikita ng mga tao, and especially our foreign investors, na talagang may political will ang administrasyon ni President Aquino.
Same with the local business sector, the international community also asked the Philippine government to address the prices of electricity, which is the highest rate in Asia. Foreign entrepreneurs are vying for the use of solar energy in the Philippines.
Itong sektor ng solar, because very strategic yung at tayo yung equator geological place ng Pilipinas ay napakaganda yung sikat ng araw dito, pero hindi natin nagagamit itong palakasin itong solar industry natin because yun nga, sabi nga nila ay mataas, but ngayon maraming supplier.
Turkish company E-Zinc is one of the manufacturers of solar PV panels and solar water heaters, which has already penetrated the Philippine market.